Hang on.
Eating carrots.
Yeah, right here. Ah, right here. Yes. Wait. Here. Well, if you... There you go. This is not like milk. You like it? She loves carrots. There you go. I know. Here. She's smacking her lips. Love carrots, huh?
Gonna overflow. Overflow.
I know. Hang on here.
Yeah. She wants it.
Goodness. You get hungry? Goodness. Where?
No, don't put your finger in your mouth. No.
Are you looking at the camera? Yes. Are you showing mommy and daddy how you eat? Nuh-uh. There you go. Almost done. You eat good. I think we're ready to move to one pack. Uh-oh. It's all gone. Oh, she's not gonna be happy. She's not gonna be happy. You want more? Wait, maybe she's just hungry for milk. You're just hungry for milk? Alright, Mama will give you milk, okay? Yeah, I'll give her milk. Yeah, I'll give you milk. Hang on. Hang on a second. Hang on. Alright. Come in, baby's here.
Look at you. Come on, look at me.
Look at daddy.